everyone, this is Cindy Creating with the Heart, and I am here to show you guys some stuff I've been working on. Just recently, I think I did a haul of some Tailored Expressions new stuff. And so this is their, I guess it's their donut pack. I don't know how to describe it, but let me go ahead and remind you guys of what was in it. So it came with, I bought it all as a set, but you could buy them all separately. But I got the mini strips donut worry stamp set, and so it's one of those strips dies where you just buy one die, and then they have multiple mini strip stamps. You just stamp them, and then you have lots of sentiments. So it has the rubber donut stamp, and then it's this clear stamp that goes with it. It makes all of the inside pieces and decorations of the donut. The donut die, and then this is a sprinkles die, stencil that goes right over that rubber stamp, and then you just can stencil it. So let me show you. So I did, it came with a class. So it came with like a class. So these are the projects. Oh, and also one of my projects I used this die as well. This is a Spellbinder Sweet Treat Box die. And so I'll show you how I use that in just a second. All right, so I did make the cards and the card and the tags that went with the class. So it was a class, I think, I can't remember who did the class. Pine Feather, I think she did the class. But anyway, it came free with the kit. So they just sent me a link. And so these are the projects that we made, I think. It's very similar. So it's this card and these tags. And then I saw on Instagram, one of the designers had made a card that looks like this. So I really liked the design, so I went ahead and cased it. And then I did one in a different color palette. So to make this was really, really simple. All I did was just stamp the big rubber stamp, and I used the stencil, and I just used little pieces to decorate the donuts. So I love how it came out. And then this is what I used that Spellbinders die for. So it says, "Donut worry, be happy, have a sweet day." And it's made into just a regular card, but this part flips open, and then you've got all the donuts. Don't worry, be happy, have a sweet day. And then all the cute little donuts, like they're in a little donut box. So I really like how these all came out. I think they're really fun. So Tailored Expressions does a lot of things with these little kits, and I just love having all the pieces to a kit all together. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Creating with the Heart.